Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 1758, minimum changes to make alternating binary string. You are given a string S consisting only of the characters 0 and 1. In one operation you can change any 0 to 1 or vice versa. The string is called alternating if no two adjacent characters are equal. For example, the string 010 is alternating while the string 0100 is not. Return the minimum number of operations needed to make S alternating. So let's do it. How we can do it? We can simulate a string, simulate operation to build a string alternating. What can we do? We can start to build alternating string character by character starting from 0 and 1, because we can have only two kind of alternating string. One, the string starting from 0, second, the string starting from 1. So and we will check every character in S, and if this character is what we need, we skip this iteration, else we will increment the number of operations, because in this case we have to change 1 to 0 or vice versa. So let's do it. By default, let's define number of operations to make string valid. For both kind of strings it's 0 by default. Second thing, let's define the initial strings like char1 0 from one kind of string and char2 is 1. Now let's check every character in string, and in our case char1 and char2 means like previous character, and our and we need that current characters shouldn't be the same as previous one. So if current character equals to char1, in this case it means it's invalid, and we should increment number of operations. Increment count 1 by 1 and change char1 to alternating value, so it should be 0 if char1 equals to 1, also 1, and the same for char2. And finally return the minimum operation between count 1 and count 2. It means that sum of our two alternating strings can be built with minimum changes. So return minimum of count 1 and count 2. That's it. Let's check this. Something wrong? Yeah. Small mistake. Check again. Test passed. Submitted. It should work. Yes, it's quite effective. With logarithm have time complexity of n because we have a loop depends on the length of s, and it has memory complexity of 1. It's constant because we didn't create any variable depends on the length of s. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.